Hi guys, I'm Gringo Loco. I'm going to be making my channel as a real YouTuber. You'll see some mess up cuts of my video making because I just have my camera and I'm filming like that. But at the end of each video, I might put a little extra of my outtakes. Um, yeah, anyways, so this is my channel. I have been a YouTuber for a long time, and I recently have been studying Spanish for a year. I started on January 22nd of this year, 2020, and I am just going to go straight forward through this journey of my progress, struggles, my story. I'll make more videos of what you're going to expect to see, but for now, this trailer is just of a quick schedule update, and I'll be aiming to post videos every Sunday. So you might be kind of confused of what my channel is because I have a lot of older stuff on there. I want to make a tribute video of all my older videos kind of all mashed together, and when I get kind of creative with iMovies and stuff, but I want to get creative with it, and I want y'all to see the progress of a whole entire video. You see a lot of other YouTubers who are just want to put out the edited version, and that's fine. That's fine. But there's a lot of work that goes into channel making. I also got a Twitch channel. If you guys are still watching at this point, let me know if you want to know the name of my Twitch channel, because I do live stream. I'm affiliate on Twitch. But those are some basic things about me. I'll keep making more videos, and you'll see my videos will get better. I do want to get better at this. No matter who you are, if you're the most popular YouTuber out there at the time, or not, they're still going to struggle and they're going to go through times. I mean, heck, look at what PewDiePie did. He went on a break, basically broke the internet in a way. But he just went away because he needed that break, I assume. But I'm back. And that's a very long trailer, but I'll attach some stuff to the end of this video, and I think it'll be really cool. One day I'm going to try to put all my videos I made on my phone into a giant montage, just do a giant tribute to my older YouTube channels and everything like that. And basically, this is going to be the background for now. But yeah, thank you for coming by. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.